Speech is still very complicated. Music is simpler.
To be or not to be? That is the question. Daisy, Daisy, give me your answer to afford the carriage. But you look sweet upon the seat of a bicycle built for two.
Only by computer could they be calculated and for the first time pictorially described. The entire musical score accompanying this film was composed on a computer that can produce nearly endless variations of sounds. The computer converts these numbers into impulses that cause sound waves to come directly from a loudspeaker. The art of computer graphics is only in its infancy.
Good evening. Hope you're all okay. What is going on? I forgot the main part of the last one. I definitely did.
Go ahead, please. Italia, uniform 2, uniform Bravo.
Yeah, I forgot to do a major part. Let's get on with it. So RFID rotary coin number 13, dispenser. Now the mountains for part of a UPAS project. Okay. So I went ahead and let me just open it up. Tell you what, I went ahead on the last one and flatted everything out. Flatted it out with a pH flat. There it is. So I flatted it all out. There it is. So that's going to stay most of the same apart from maybe the base and the lid. Don't know. We've got to work that out yet. So what we've got to do is we can't have this coin dispenser free floating in space. It's fastened at the front here, but that doesn't fasten it. It just pushes in there. So this is just free floating. There's nothing to hold it. So what we'll do, we need to let's hide the case for a minute. See inside. Right, so we're going to somehow work out how we're going to fasten this to the floor. Now if it means making some more rods to go to the floor, I'll have to work that out. So 146, yeah, we can do them. So we could make some more stands and print them out, but then we've got to work out how we're going to fasten that to there. So what we could do is have a dowel or cut off an M3 bolt, screw it in and screw the two together. I suppose we could do that. Yeah, and it's going to be a need for something for the PCB. So probably, yeah, I don't know what we're going to do. Yeah, so also need to connect, support this somehow. Now whether we come off the back panel, I might just come off the back panel maybe. Yeah, that might be an idea, just come straight off the back panel and yeah, like a strut off the back panel. I'll have to extend that here, and yeah, so that might be an idea. So what, let's find out how far we've got to go from here to the back panel. $50.5, 51, 51 mil. So right, we'll take it as 51 millimeters. I'll hide the case, and we'll just come over to here. So we could probably just use this bottom piece. Let's just copy that. Paste it in place. Move it down. Is it 2 mil? Yeah. We'll move it down 2 mil like that. We'll extend the face of it out. Oh no, we need to make it unique. Bring it out 51 mil. Have a look at that. Right, must be the football on tonight. Oh, no, it's come right out. That's not good, is it? That wasn't... so we'll probably just measure that. 8 mil plus 6, 14 mil. So we need to reduce that by 14 millimeters. Okay. So yeah, we're flush with the thing, yeah. So we can fasten it there to there. Now we want to be able to push it round the motor. So what we'll do, got to make it thicker as well. So we'll go back into that, hide the case for a second. We need to just get rid of some of the geometry. So we'll come in to about sort of there, 20 mil. 20 mil, and we'll get rid of that and that, and we'll draw some lines. Let's just measure that. So 10 mil, so we need to come, oh, it's 100 mil, isn't it? So we'll just go 100 mil, yeah. 100 mil out. Right, and then we'll come in 20 mil. Okay. And we'll just draw along there. And pop that down 2 mil. Right, there we go. So it gets fastened to the... It gets fastened... Oh dear, what's happened to me pointer today? I can't do it. Right, so we've got this extra bit. It's not thick enough, so but it'll reach out to the back. So what we need to do is just model it a bit. We'll do it this way, upside down. Let's make sure we got some audio. Hold on. So it'll reach out to the back. We have got some audio, so that's always a good thing. So we need to make this thicker. So it's 2mm. What's say? How thick? 5mm. 5mm. So it's a 5mm thick, and we need to.
QZ for Zoo 5 radio.
We need to be. Let's find out what size it is. 3.2. So 3. I don't know. 6mm. So let's just say 3mm. 3mm, and we're going to bring that down, back down 3mm. Let's do the rest of this. 3mm and down by 3mm, and the same. 3mm and 3mm. And the last one. So that takes care of that. And we need now some kind of bracket structure. So we're going to come out. And we said that was 20mm, so we come out 20mm. Start from there, and we need something. I suppose it'll be 5mm. 5mm thick. We'll have a line across there, and we'll have to bring this up. I don't know how far. 20mm. 20mm. Okay, and we can get rid of lines, construction lines. So we've got that, and it's not going to be very good like that, so we need some structure to it. So oh, I've got rid of the line I was going to use. So 20mm. Right, so what we'll do now is we'll go 5mm there and 5mm there. Let's draw a line. Alright. And we want another line there. I don't know if we can do this now, whether it'll like it. Let's try it. No, doesn't like that, does it? So we're going to have to do it manually. Not so bad. Alright, is it going to like that? That's your line. Okay. Right, so we've got some structure. Sort of. Let's do some more structure. Okay, so we've got some lines. That should be enough. Do you want one in the middle? Do you want one in the middle? Or no? No, we'll leave it like that. Right, let's get rid of some of these things. Get rid of some of these. Oops. Right. We've got some weird colours going on. So that doesn't look the right colour, is it? Okay, so we'll choose the colours in the model. Is that it? No, that's not it. So which one is it? Is it that? No. So hang on, I can't actually see. Right, so it's not that one. It's not. Is it that one? No, it's not that one. What's been used in the model already? So where is it? Is that it? Yeah, that's it. You can tell when the no changes happen. Let's see if we need to smooth anything. No, we're okay. So we're okay, that's what we're going to print. We need some mounting holes at the back. So I guess we're going to just put some lines in. We'll come in 10mm and 10mm, and we'll, what have we got here? We've got 20mm, so we'll just come down 10mm. And what size do we want? Want the same again. Same again for the middle. 3.2, so 1.6. 1.6. And then we want to do, I forget what we did now. 9.4. I don't get that. 9.2. So I don't know what that is. Let's measure it. 3mm. I should have known, I just done it. $3mm. $3mm. Now the problem we've got now is then we're going to have the thing sticking out the back. The bolt needs to come through that way, really. So I'll tell you what, we don't need the 3mm. Undo. We'll just push that through. That's it. We don't need the rebate for that bit. Oops, come back. Don't lose me now, don't stop me now, we're having a good time. We're having a ball. Right. Okay, so what's it look like? What does it look like? Should be strong enough to hold that up, I would have thought. Yeah, and that's all we need. Is it? Do we need another one there? Well, that'll help a bit, and this'll help. Yeah, unless we have the funnel sticking up a little bit. So, oh no, it'll pull the funnel out, won't it? The weight of it. I'll just do that. I mean, it could help support it a little bit around the plastic. But we'll see how we go. If we have to, we'll have to make another one and put it upside down up there. But that won't go around the thing with it. So, but it'll have to be bigger. Yeah, that's not in anyone's way, so that's fine. Right, so we want the holes off this now. Not the holes, not that hole. Copy them. Put the case back on. Paste it in place. I need to come out a bit. We need to pop them back onto the surface. Just like that. Cut them. Right, paste it in place. Push that through. 6 mil and 6 mil. That should be okay. Let's have a look. Yeah, is it alright? So that's where the bolts are going to go through to hold that bracket on. Okay, so we're done. I won't bother showing the screws. Oh, so we just pop them through, fasten it in, and that's it. I suppose you could make it bigger and to attach to more sides. Does it matter? I'm not sure it does. Well, I'll just leave it at that for now. Right, so what I thought as well, I thought these are quite close together here, and if there's screws holding that on, it might just get in the way there. See that? That screw's not a lot of space for a screw. So we can either move it apart a little bit. Tell you what, we'll just move it apart a bit. So that screw will go on there, that one will go on there, and then we've got a little bit of a problem down here, because that's going to be in the way of that screw. So we could do with spacing these apart a bit. So I think we'll move that one over so it's lining up with this bowl. Let's do that then. So I need to work out how far out it is from the centre. That's not easy to do, is it? Tell you what, I'll go here. Now we'll go from here, then we'll line it up with the middle. 61.5. Now we'll go from here. Oh, we need to have the... It's not going to work, is it? Hang on. It's not going to work like that. Right, so we want to go... It's not flush there, is it? That's on top. Well, we could work it out. Do a calculation. So 37 from there. And these are 61 wide, so calculator. Oh dear, what's going on? Bloody windows. They keep adding features nobody wants. What's the matter with these people? They've got nothing to do all day. Nobody wants extra features, they just want an operating system. Why don't they get it? Alright, so 61 and 37. So 61 plus 37 equals that's not good, is it? Hang on, Karen. So 61 divided by 2 equals 30.5. I don't even know what I'm doing now. 30.5. Tell you what we'll do, we'll just move that. We'll just move that, we'll grab it from there, and we'll tell it we're trying to only move that way, so we want to go to there like that. That's it. That's done. Yeah, we've done it. Now we've got to work out how far we've gone. Not easy. Not easy to work out how far we've gone. So we've got to go from here all the way to 38.5. Okay. So we've got to get 38.5. So we've got to work out how far away we are. 6 mil. So we've got to grab the whole thing and drag the whole thing over by, guess what, 6 mil. Okay, so we've done that. So the holes all line up, yes they do, and the whole thing's moved with it. That's, no it hasn't. Hang on, let's hide the case a minute. Right, so we're going to drag the whole thing over 6 mil. Right, okay. So we've got a bit of space there, that's fine, and we're okay. We've got room for fixings. So we just need to do move this one over a bit now, so we can work out the spacing. 6 mil basically. So we could do with 6 mil this way if we can. Can we do 6 mil that way? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, I think we should be able to do that. I need to just budge that over 6 mil. Yep, done. Okay, so we're done on our juggling around. The display's in a weird position now because it's yeah, the display's in a weird place. So we've got some space though. Oh, the internals now are different. Let's do them while we're on. Oh, that one and that one. Move it over 6 mil. Okay, are we all good? Yeah, we're all good now. Yeah, we've got some space for the screws. That's all we wanted, a bit of space for screws. So, do I put this up level with that one? Oh, we'll leave it there. I think we'll leave it there. Yeah, we'll leave it there. This screen. Now, I have started to do it the other way up, haven't I? Yeah, I've started to do it the other way up. Can't see it. Where's it gone? Yeah, so I need to turn that round. I need to rotate that round because I've started to work with this the other way up. So what I'll do is grab that and we'll just turn it round. Turn it around. That's it. It needs to be the other way up. So we'll have to do the case as well. Oh, it's going to be out of line, so we'll just do the case again. Right, so we need to now move that to where we want it. Ideally, it'll sit above this. So we want that to be like that. Needs to go up a bit. Don't know where. Don't know when. Right, it needs to go flush with the back, so that ain't flush. Right, perhaps we should have done it a different way. Tell you what, no. Put the case back. Let's measure the top of this to the case. Oh, it's not going to be easy to do, is it? Not going to be easy, so what we'll have to do is push it in. Bring it in this way. And then put the case on. And then do X-ray mode. And push this. Alright, let's put it on the surface, I think. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Right, so we're there. Now are we lined up? Looks lined up, doesn't it? Let's have a look. You can't tell, it's very difficult. It's a bit high, so it could be doing come lower. So it'd be nice if it was there. Right, how's that? Yeah, it's not bad because we've got a cover here. Yeah, that'll do. Is it lined up? I can't tell. Yeah, it looks it, doesn't it? Does it look it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we've got that there. Case is going to have to... well, we could try and line this up. Tell you what. Let's try it. Why have we got an extra pin there? What's that all about? What is that doing there? Oh. Oh, we're on X-ray. Let's get out of X-ray. Right, that's better. So we're gonna get that. Gonna rotate it round like that, and we're gonna grab hold of, not with that, we're not. So we're gonna stay in line like that. We're going to have to bring it down. Right, see where we are. So we're going to have to bring that right down to there. Just about get it, maybe. Oh, the display, yeah. Display can be level with that, can't it? So we can go up a bit with that. So let's go up a bit with that. So say that needs to go up a bit. And it needs to be level with that. Okay. Right, so we've got that, and we need to go in X-ray mode, click onto this, view the rest of the model. Do we need X-ray mode? No, we don't. So we grab hold of that and bring that down. I don't know how far it's got to come down, but we'll try it. .5, so let's just say 8.25. See what that is like. Not quite. It's not far out. Let's get rid of. Let's come straight on the face. Right, there's the face. And we're out by a little bit, so we need to just go up a tiny bit. 0.25. No. Down 0.125. That's it. Right, hopefully that's all in the right place now, should be. Right, okay. Right, so we've got the display above there. We can animate it and say, press the button, take your coin. An animated coin saying, take the coin, take it. And obviously we've got a bit of a problem there. Why can't I get this? Oh, is that a picture? Right, we'll leave that the wrong way up then. Can't remember I did that now. Right, so we've got our display. The cable can come out of there and down in there, close to that side. That's good. It looks a bit weird, but never mind. Okay. So yeah, that's okay, apart from there's no way to hold this in the right place. So I probably need a little guide to go around this, to screw down to the plate, a small guide, stop it wobbling around. We'll sort that out. But if we're going to do it, we need to do it. How do we do it? Let's have a think. Yeah, just a screw down collar. I can't do it at the front, so we need something to come down the bottom and round. Right, let's grab hold of this. Get the frame of it, why not? Copy, paste in place. Right, need to go down to the floor on it. Go down. That's that. Yeah. Okay, so we'll cut. We cut it now, it's not going to be undo cut. Alright, so we want to get rid of the case for a minute. Where's the case gone? There it is. Hide the case. Right, we've got the little bit of a frame, so we're going to have to make it wider. Make it wider. and we don't need the front. So we'll go a bit wider, 0.5, 1 mil, say 0.5. We'll delete the original one, and we'll do the same again. If we can get to it. And we'll just cut, do an offset. Doesn't need to be much, does it? 10 mil. 10 mil, so we can get some fixings in it. Wrong one. Right, so we need to sort ourselves out here. Need to come back this way. Needs to be underneath actually, so there. I'll come back 4.5 mil. That's quite a lot, isn't it? Oh well. And we'll draw a line between there and there, and we can get rid of that and that and that. We need to go all the way around to here. I need to get rid of that. Okay, so we've got our piece of whatever it is. Yeah, it's a piece of something. It doesn't need to be a lot, just enough to be a guide. 2 mil, 3 mil, let's say 3 mil. 5 mil, let's say 5 mil. 5 mil, and we might as well colour it. Might as well colour it now. Might as well colour it. Right, so we've coloured it. It's just a bit of a thing that we have to fasten down. We need some screw holes in it, so we want one screw hole in this corner. So it's 10 mil, so 5 mil. 5 mil. Small. 1.6. Okay, what I could do with another one this corner. 5 mil, and probably one over here. 5 mil, and probably one around the other side. Here. 5 mil. .6. It's all got to be done at some point, so I might as well do it now. 1.6. That gives us enough to put an M3 with some clearance. Okay, I mean you could just glue that down if you wanted. I know if I glue it, it makes a mess. Makes the acrylic look horrible, and let's use acrylic cement. I ain't gonna do that now. I might want to take this off and print a different one. I use it for something else. Something else like mounting something off it. Right, so get rid of all these lines now. Right, so we've got that. I need to make it into something. So we need to grab it somehow without grabbing the rest. I've got it, haven't I? Yeah, I've got it. So I'll make it into a component. That's it. I'm not bothered about beveling it and stuff like that. I don't really care about that. What I might do though is just inset the screw holes. So let's say 3mm. Oh, that doesn't give us a lot of space. Right, that's too big anyway. Right, so what we want is an offset of, let's say 2mm. 2mm. What does that give us for a head size? 7mm. Ah, that's okay. So we'll do 2mm and then we'll come down 3mm. Two mil and down 3mm. What's going on? 2mm and down by 3mm. One more. 2mm and down by 3mm. Okay. Right, so we've got that. It's a bit of a guide. So we need to go underneath now and get the holes. Right, copy them. Come out and paste them in place. Now, put the case back on. Paste them in place. Oh, what happened there? Look at that. That's not good, is it? That one. Right, so I'll just delete the one. Okay, come out of that. That's obviously no good like that. So we'll have to move it up 6mm. Let's just move the whole thing up 6mm. Right, what's that like? Yeah, it clears the cover, that's right, that's good. So I need to get the hole off it now. Right, so we've got all the holes now. So I just need to, I can either keep them the same. It's a 3mm, that hole's too big for a 3mm. So probably need to make it smaller. I could just put some inserts in, melt some inserts into it. Seems a waste of 4 brass inserts though.
Q calling CQDX, CQDX. This is Victor Yankee 2 Whiskey Whiskey Princess. We're now in Canada calling.
What do we do with this then?
CQDX from B102W.
I don't... brass things. Yeah.
OCQ calling.
Let's put some brass pins in it.
Victor Yankee 2 Whiskey Whiskey.
So what we want to go like this. We want 4.65. So 2.325. 2.325. Yep, that's it. Get rid of that one. We want to go down by 5.25. Or is it 4.25? 5.25. So it only gives us 0.7. That's okay. Right, we can do that. 2.325. Yeah. 5.25. We'll push a brass insert in. We don't want the a nut sticking on the bottom. 2.325. Let's make sure they're all right size. Yeah.
Okay, very good, Bravo. Your audio is very good. Your signal is fine.
5.25.
It sounds like this.
One more. 2.325. 5.25. Okay, so we can melt 2 M3 brass inserts, threaded inserts. Right, that's it. Okay. So that holds our tray still, stops it racking around. That's good. That'll do nicely. Right. Have we finished? Are we done? I think so. I think we're done. Yeah, we're done, aren't we?
That's great. That's great. Yeah, you're also coming in
We're done.
well here into Prince Edward Island. Congratulations. I heard you start to say 2 echo. So you're upgraded.
Alright, Cat. How you doing? Right. So we're done. So what we need to do now is update the front, the back and the bottom. The rest is the same. So let's get part of the case. So the front, we want the bottom and the back.
Okay, doing a good
Based.
job. Excellent copy. And the name again was what?
Alright, so we've got that there.
Yeah, I think you might have told me. Okay, yeah, no problem.
So we need to get rid of this one and the back and the base.
Have a good weekend coming up. One more day, right?
So let's have a look at it from above. So we're gonna delete the code first.
Bye-bye, 73.
Get rid of that.
Yeah, big signal, Papa Alpha 3, Golf, Charlie.
Rub out the G code and get rid of it. And then the last one is this one here. The rest are okay as they are. Right. The rest is only two. Oh, 2 of them and 1 of them. Yeah. So let's get this.
Yeah, okay, fine business, Frankie. You're also 5959 plus. Prince Edward Island.
So we need to grab that over here,
Thanks for calling 73.
rotate it round. Hang on a minute, which side do we want? We want it that way, flying flat, yeah.
Echo 2, Echo Zulu, Mike, you're 59.
So we'll lie that flat and rotate it round and bring that corner into there.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Put it there, and
nice copy and nice to
that's
work.
it.
73 from
That's the
White
one.
Whiskey with
Next one is this one here. So we need to
sugar
lie
equivalent
it on
to
its
something Zulu.
side. That's
Roger,
it.
Sugar Queen 2 Hotel Zulu 59. It's at Prince Edward Island. Name is John. Over.
Right, what's it going on? Okay.
Okay, nice job. Nice to see you and thanks for the call. Victor Yankee 2 Whiskey Whiskey.
And there's this last piece. So we need to rotate it round probably.
Tango Kilo Foxtrot. Tango Kilo Foxtrot, please.
That's the base, so the base can be flipped round. Or we'll leave it the right way, it doesn't really matter.
Well. You're 59 plus, over.
Okay.
I don't have a code. I don't know. Maybe it's just the band condition.
Or maybe you've got a flat nose. Right. So what we do now, we've got to get it on its edge.
Bye-bye, 73. Victor Yankee 2 Whiskey. Lima Zulu 3, Fox Yankee.
We've got to
Ending in Tango, ending Tango.
explode it.
Takeoff 3, Mike Ocean Tango 59, over.
So explode and get rid of all that off it. That's fine. Next one.
Yeah, beautiful, Josh. Nice, strong signal 59 plus there. Well, what's the antenna and the power?
Explode. That's fine. And this one here.
Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Okay. Oh, did we explode it? No, explode it.
Less than 100 watts because you're very strong.
Right, we're all ready to go, so we can start by saving it. Oh, we've got to grab those off now. Ah, I shouldn't have exploded it yet, should I? Shit. Hang on.
Lima Zulu 3, Foxtrot Yankee. Okay, Lima Zulu 3, Foxtrot Yankee, 59 plus. Victor Yankee 2, Whiskey Whiskey, on the 3FY 59, also John. Very strong signal, my name is 40, thank you, good day.
Yeah. So I jumped a step then. Forgot. Right, so that's fine. Now we can explode it.
I do. You're 59. Papa Delta.
Same with this one.
Yankee 2 Whiskey Whiskey. Roger, thanks for the 59 plus 10. 73 from Victor Yankee 2 Whiskey Whiskey.
Alright, last one.
November radio.
Alright, so we're ready for the G code now. We have to get rid of the holes. We only want the outlines for the G code for this tool we got here. So why is that darker than that one? What's going on? That's weird, isn't it? Oh well, it is what it is. Oh, that's why, because I've jumped the gun again, have I? I need to get rid of the layers. It's a good job I didn't put any G code structure on it. Needs to be flat. Oh. They don't go all the way through, do they? That's a shame. Right, so I'm going to have to do this one slightly different, this one. I'm going to have to delete the bottom off and bring that down because it doesn't go all the way through. 6mm, and that should do it. Right. Thank you so much. 73, Victor Yankee 2, Whiskey. Oh, where's the line gone? What have I done with my line? That's a shame. I must have deleted something. I don't know where that went. Right. Anyway, so we've got that. It should all be lined up. Yeah, it should all be lined up. So we've got to sort these out now. All the characteristics will be the same. So we've just got to do an inside cut. What's it doing? It's not doing it. What's different? Oh. It's not part of the thing. Why not? What's wrong?
Okay, Alpha Victor Golf, please.
Tell you what, this program does something different every day.
Alpha Victor Golf. You're also 5'9", QSL.
Right.
73, Victor Yankee 2, Whiskey.
That's better.
Ending in Mike. No, Mike, please. Yeah, Mike 8, Whiskey, Mike, you're 5'9". Thank you, good day to you. Victor Yankee 2, Whiskey.
This is an inside cut. Because it's going to be a laser, it's going to be 0.5mm tolerance, probably less than that. Right, so that's that. Now an outside cut. There we go. So save. Right, I'll just do all the rest first. Okay, there's something weird there. So let's just go around it. Intersect the faces with the model. Right, okay, inside cut. Yeah. 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 Yeah, and an outside cut. Okay. Right, last one. What's that doing? Oh, am I not thin? No, I am thin. What's going on?
Germany 4 Delta Whiskey.
Right, intersect the faces with a model. Nothing to do. Right. That's wanting to do the wrong way around.
Delta Golf 4 Delta Whiskey, I think. If I correct that. You're 5'9", over.
Stupid, isn't it? Why was all the rest okay and this one no good?
Okay, yeah, Roger. My name is John.
They've swapped over. How ridiculous is that, eh? What did I do different with this one? No, this is the one I took the bottom from.
Yeah, fantastic. You're booming in as well. Thank you so much for the call.
Right, we'll get rid of that one.
73, George.
Go back to this one, we'll grab the bottom again.
Charlie Alpha November. Charlie Alpha November, please. Ending in Alpha November.
Right, so we'll put it there. I'll turn it over. And I'll spin it around. And we'll... No. Yeah, you have to fight it a bit. If you want to use free software, you have to fight it. It's not going to make it easy. Right. Okay. So we need to... delete the top bits. Okay, and we need to grab all the holes out of it. Paste in place. Cut and put them back. Right, okay. Explode it. Look on the edge, yeah, it's all good. Right, let's try again. See if it'll play silly buggers again. Inside cut. Yes! You need the hole to be on the inside of the... That's the tool path. It needs to be on the inside, not the outside. Otherwise you'll end up with a bigger hole than you need. And cause havoc. Right, so that's there. So an outside cut. That's it. So we're all done now. So we've got to output these now. So we'll put the safe area around here. Alright, so that's a safe area. So I've got to do the front. So G code for the front, got to be replaced. Okay, replace that. Safe area around. Let's do the same with the back. Back. Overwrite the back. Alright, and then there's this one here. The bottom. So we want the bottom. There it is. And I'm not even pointing at you, I'm pointing at you. It's amazing. So we're finished. Fantastic signal there, Sean. Roger. Finished with them, so I'll close them up now. I'll go on to an online G-code viewer. This one here, ncviewer.com. We can load in the few things that, right, so the front, there's our front toolpath. You can play it, watch it go around. It does the holes first, all inside cuts first, and when it's finished it'll do the outside cut. Right, it looks okay. It's just a single pass. The laser should be able to cut the 6mm straight through if you've got your mirrors clean and you've got the speed slow. Yeah. So next one is the back. Massimo. Yeah, that's good. And then we got the bottom.
Yeah, Mike 7, Florida Charlie Echo, you're 5-9. Bye-bye, 73.
Right, job done. Okay. So, we're finished with this now. That's it for, yeah. So we've got all the holes we need and everything else. Oh, we can make that. We've got these brackets to generate. Yeah, let's take the case off a minute. So we're not going to mill these out, we're going to 3D print these bits. So what we'll do is we'll grab it. I'll just give it a smooth export, and I'm going to call this the coin dispenser, and it's going to be called the coin dispenser bracket. Coin dispenser bracket STL. And then we want this one here. Looks like it's the wrong colour, doesn't it? Oh well. Right, so we're going to print that as well. And it's the, we've got bracket, coin dispenser bracket, there it is. Now this one's going to be draw guide, coin draw guide, STL. Okay, put the case back on. So we're using 3D printers, CNC laser, or maybe CNC router, but I don't think so. Right, save that, that's fine. So what we want now is the Bamboo Studio over here. Now I was printing out something for a colleague, looks like it's finished, yes, finished. Out of ABS, black ABS, there it is. So I've got to go and I can go file new, save that, import the STL which we just made. It's not under that, it's under SketchUp, coin dispenser. So what we're going to do print first, the bracket.
QSL Maximo, beautiful signal, 5
right, so the bracket, there we go. So there it is, it's in the, on the build plate, but it's upside, it's the wrong way up, so what we'll do is just click this one here, and it's automatically put it the right way up. There shouldn't be any problem with printing it. So slice the plate. It tells you how much. It's 68 pence.
Okay, I didn't quite get
58
the
minutes.
I got the Oscar Tango Bravo. Is it Germany?
What you mustn't do is print the plate. Click send now. You don't do that. You've already.
Okay, you're 5'8" to 5'9".
You've got a model.
There, Roger.
There's a model on the build plate, so I've got to go and take that off. So I'll be back in a second. Right, we're back. So we'll send that over and get that printing. I don't need to do bed leveling for this one. Right, let that go through. 68 pence of plastic and whatever electric it is, they don't mention that unless it's part of the deal. Right. This is what I've just printed off. I'll show you this in a minute. It's a spacer. Right, that's doing its business. So I've just printed this thing off. It's quite light. It looks thick, 15mm thick. It's got 50% infill and 2 wall. And it's basically a spacer, a coin spacer. So the coins will drop through and it'll guide it into the keep. It's supposed to be so and so size. Yeah, 40mm, 10mm thick, 15mm up, yeah. Looks good, right, that'll do. Yeah, bit of a useless thing, but depends. Right, okay, so that is that. Well, that's printing. Is it doing anything? Oh, it's preheating the. Yeah, so it's cleaning the nozzle and that. That's fine. You can't see it. Right, so we'll get rid of that over there. Right, so where have we got to? So that's the end of the stream, really. Just got to 3D print, finish that one off, print this other one, and then I've got to laser cut all these acrylic 6mm acrylic sheets, laser cut them. And then I've just got to assemble it all. So another day we'll assemble it all, just screw together. I've got the cubes. There's the cubes. These cubes that go in the corners. I've got to melt some brass inserts in. So I could suppose go and do that, I suppose, but just melt them in with a soldering iron. and they're designed so it'll go sit in. You rest your iron on, and it just sinks in like that. Once it gets hot, it goes in. And they'll be surprisingly strong. You can't get them out. Can't get them out. Right. So anyway, I don't know, nothing else to say. So that's it for today. We'll leave it there like that. So that has been the RFID rotary coin number 13. Dispenser, the mountains. So we've done the mountains. Alright, I'll catch you all again. Bye for now. See you on the next one.
This constitutes all available data. That information is not available